Big snowstorm, Sheleg in Jerusalem. Just moved here and see what we have. A snowstorm. Hopefully you can see something. Otherwise you just have to believe me. I haven't seen a snowstorm like that ever in Jerusalem. That's a very necessary water, very important for Israel. So hopefully that will fill out the Kinneret. Now I'm going up towards Nebi Samuel. I don't think I'll get there, but that's the direction. The tomb, the burial ground of the prophet Samuel, according to some traditions. And that's where I'm going, heading. On Nebi Shmuel, the prophet Samuel. And this is for now. Enjoy it while it lasts.